Welcome to my channel. I'm going to talk about today history timeline. We are a homeschool family. We are with Masterbooks since kindergarten, so it's been gonna be our 5th year. Yes, 5th year. We're gonna start 4th grade. And we are strictly with Masterbooks with all the subjects, so obviously it's working for us since, as I said, since kindergarten. And every year we adding more and more subject. Obviously it's getting somewhat more difficult. So history was our first year, in 3rd grade. So we did America's Story 1. This is it. It's a thick book, and it also came with the questionnaire. Same thick book, also with a teacher guide, and also came with purchased a timeline separately. This is for the 2nd, but this is how it looked like, the timeline that I purchased. So I needed to decide how to present the timeline. Some families decide to put it on the board. I didn't like the idea because we don't have much space, first, and second, the convenience. I wanted to have it with us when we're studying. Usually we studying on the couch or at the dining room table. So I wanted to be available right then and there. So here's what I decided. I purchased from Dollar Tree a poster board like that. It comes 6 pieces, 11 inches times 14 inches. So it's a pretty big one. And one package, as I mentioned, has 6 pieces. And what's good about it, it comes with cover, and that's what I really like. So this is what I did. I utilize both sides. Obviously in the Masterbooks timeline, it comes with the year and the smaller pictures that you can cut it. Now my son also did some drawings that we put it up, some important things we did put extra on the board. But what I really like, that we could just grab it and use it whenever we talked about it, and then turn around and then move on. So this is the first one I'm going to show you. And the second. Now on this page, I realized, okay, at the beginning, not much pictures. And to save some space, let's see, yeah, here I can show you, to save some space, instead of putting all the years that there is not much going on, I just skipped year. So 1625, I moved to 1680. And I wanted to just save space, not to have too many boards. I wanted to make sure we're using all the spaces up here. And this is our 3rd page. I'm just gonna give you an idea how I did it. And what I did, I actually went back and purchased more poster boards, just because I want to use the pockets. I did ended up with lots of empty poster boards, I must say. This is what I have, but it will be good for the 2nd America's Story 2, 3, and so on. So I'm not going to purchase more, so that's going to be more than enough. And then next year, when we do, actually this year, when we do America's Story 2, I'm gonna take this apart, take it out, and it's easily removable. It's just Let me show you. I'm gonna use the pockets basically because make sure it's lasting longer as just 1 year, and we're gonna keep it. So I am just opening this one up on the side and then just pull it apart, pull it out. So in that way we don't have lots of pages, and also it's covered so it's less longer. So I do really like this idea, and I haven't mentioned it's Dollar Tree, so it's only $1.25 one package, which has 6 pages. And if you decide to use both sides as we did, one package is enough. But as I mentioned, if you wanted to have the covered, then buy more, and then it will be good. Then we can just keep it like that, and we have only, that's all what we have. Let's see how many. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 buckets that I used. And of course I used both sides. So whenever we would talk about the certain years, we used it, turn around, we used it, and so on. So I just really like this idea more as putting it on the board. And I'm gonna show you just more pages here. Some we were just flipping it, so I pulled it out and I'm flipping it. I talked about more events that happened. Some we added to it, and some was in the booklet. Now here you can see that I separated the year that we had more stuff going on. So just to make sure that we can see all of it, you can do that like that. But I just didn't want it to end up with lots of papers in the end. This one, as I said, you can just flip it. You can also utilize the back of these pages if you flip it. And this is our last page here. And this one, I just cut it out, make sure we remember this is from America's Story 1. As I mentioned, I wanna do America's Story 2 at the same way, because it just worked for us. So that's all what I ended up. So I can just keep this really easily for the future using it. So we're gonna have 1 America's Story 1, 2, 3, and then so forth for the word story. Yeah, so let me know what you think, but this one, it just worked for us. That's why I chose it. In my next video, I'm gonna talk about we're gonna have a box day for grade 4. Yeah, we have a huge box, so we're gonna go through and then just see what's we gonna work with it with this coming year. It's gonna be 4th grade, so if you're interested, definitely come back to my channel. We'll be posting it soon. Already, thank you for watching. See you next time.